Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing TikTok shop perfumes. I'm sure by now you guys have seen TikTok shop everywhere. That's because it's trending. Most of all this perfume costs about less than $20. Can you imagine? So I'm like, why not grab some and review them to see if it's worth your money? All right, if you see me for the first time, hello, I'm MT the Beauty. This channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and if you're interested and like those kind of videos, please do well to subscribe and join the beauty community. Okay, if not, please just do well to give me a thumbs up. Let's proceed to the first perfumes that I have, which is this Yara perfume. If you know a lot of Arabian perfumes, you know this perfume has been talked about all over social media, and this is a small bottle. This is a 50 ml eau de parfum, and I think I got it for about $6 or $10. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the price up on the screen, and this is how small the bottle looks like. I think I got the big bottle for like about $20, but this one was way less than that. So for those of you who probably are interested in getting the Yara perfume but you don't want to spend up to $20, you can get this and try it. Yeah, it smells perfectly like the Yara perfume. Perfect. It's like sweet, fruity, vanilla, a little bit powdery, some strawberry notes. I think you will like this perfume. It's a little bit creamy too, in my opinion. But yeah, I love this perfume. I'm not going to talk so much about the notes. If I find the notes, I'm going to put it up the screen. But if I don't, I'm just going to tell you guys how it smells and if it's worth your money for. So for this one, it's worth getting it if you're considering buying Yara perfume, but you don't want to spend up to $20 to get the big bottle. So this is a good purchase. The next perfume that I got, I was a little bit skeptical about it because of the bottle. It was giving me like old vibe, but it says 919 VIP coming to join the club. This is how the box is. You know, sometimes the perfumes that people don't talk a lot about, but they are very, good. And some of this perfume, like I've seen a lot of people comment about them on social media, and sometimes they do it for commission's sake. These perfumes I'm reviewing, I don't have any commission. I'm not affiliated with TikTok shop. This is my genuine, honest opinion of the perfume. This is how the bottle looks. First of all, I don't know if you guys see why it was giving me like the 90s vibe, but I just hope it smells good. So let's try it. This is not bad. Wow, this is actually good. It's giving me a fresh, powdery vibe. It's a little bit woody. This is interesting. I actually searched to see if I can find the notes of this perfume. I couldn't find it on Fragrantica. So, but for me, it smells a little bit musky, and it's fresh, it's powdery, and it's citrusy. This is a perfume that is nice to be worn during the spring or summertime in the evening. I don't know if I will, repurchase this. Not really, because it's not my kind of perfume. I mean, it's okay for the price point. If you like a musky, citrusy, powdery vibe perfume, you're probably gonna like this. And it's kind of pleasant, honestly. It's not bad, but it's not a perfume that I'll probably repurchase. So the next perfume is this Kissa Pink, and I've seen this perfume everywhere. So I'm like, I think it was the most expensive one. At the time I purchased this, was like about $19. So recently I checked it, it went up to $25. I don't know, maybe it's gonna drop by the time you purchase it. I love the bottle. This is cute, pink and gold. This is nice. Oh, this perfume almost smells like Yara. It almost smells like Yara, for real. This perfume is giving me Yara vibe. Honestly, I don't know if it's a dupe of Yara. It smells like Yara. Yeah, this perfume actually smells like this Yara. It's nice though. It's cute. I like the bottle. I like this bottle better than the Yara bottle for sure. But I wasn't expecting it to smell similar. The next perfume I got is Pink Soap Perfume or the Parfum, and let me try this. I think this was one of the popular perfume, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got this perfume $5 or $6. Let me try this one. Hold on. I don't like this one. Pink So Love. I don't like it. It's a little bit citrusy. It has a note to it. Mm. Woo. Mm. There's this note that is so strong. Let me see if I can find Pink to Love. Oh, I think I found what it was. It's the green scent. Yes. So you get the a little bit fruity, sweet, fresh, but the green scent just makes it distinct. And I think that's why I don't like it. I don't like the green scent is this perfume. I won't repurchase this, and I'm not sure I'm gonna ever wear this perfume. So the next perfume that I have is the 25K Pure Gold for women Lancome, and I love the packaging. It looks like a nice packaging if you're trying to, give it as a gift. It looks very nice and cute. And let's see. Oh, I love the bottle. This is a cute bottle. I hope it smells good, honestly. Let's see. So this perfume is fresh and citrusy. It almost gives the this perfume that I have. It's fruity too. I get the note settling in. It almost gives this is it no, not Ansam Gold. It almost gives this popular perfume. I'm trying to think of the perfume. I don't know. I'm gonna put the perfume that I have in mind on the screen, but it smells similar to it. It's fruity, it's sweet, it has some vanilla and it's citrusy, and you can get some apple notes. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's nice. I like it. The next perfume that I have is so this Bella Vita Luxury. So it has like 4 different tester perfume in it, and I was like, you know what, let me get it to see. One of the perfume here, the Bella Vita, the Glam Woman, I think it's very popular. I saw it on Amazon. So this particular one is very popular. I'm gonna try all of them and see which one is my favorite. So I'm gonna start with the Senorita Woman. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. This is fresh. Oh, I love this. You get the pomegranate scent from this perfume. And it's fresh and it's sweet. I love this. This is gonna be like my everyday, like probably summer fresh scent. I love it. It stands out, like it's very unique and different. I love this perfume. This smells really nice. I love this. Let me try the next one, right? The next perfume is the Dates by Bella Vita. Let's try this one. Oh, this one too is nice. This one almost smells like, wait. Oh, this is Dates. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. It almost smells like a perfume that I have. Oh, yes. So you get a strawberry note from this perfume, and it smells like, almost smells like Burberry Her. This is so good. My God. Wow. Whew, it's so nice. It's a little bit creamy. It is fruity. It is sweet. You get that strawberry note. It's fresh. You get some citrus from this perfume, but it smells so good. I love it. I love this perfume. I think I love this Date better than the other one. I love this one. I think everyone is gonna love this one, but this one too is nice, but it's very unique. It has like a different note that is not very common. That kind of stands out with this perfume. I think you need to smell this perfume before you buy it. But this one, if you like that fruity, sweet scent, or if you like Burberry Her, you're definitely gonna like this. The next one I have is Glam, and this one seems to be very popular too. Let me see. Oh, Glam is nice. Ooh, Glam smells of luxury. Ooh. I would say this is the kind of perfume that you should wear out during your date night because it's very pleasant, but it gives that luxury smell. Oh, I saw this on Amazon. I'm definitely gonna buy this one. I'm gonna buy this too. This too, I'm definitely gonna buy it. I love this one. This one is fresh, it's sweet, it's floral, but it gives that luxury note. It's not like juvenile, it's very mature luxury note that you can wear anywhere, to a party, to date night. It smells so nice and it's very concentrated. I love this. So the next one is Rosé, and let's see if it's Rosé. Probably smells of rose. Yeah, it smells of no rose. Yeah, it's an okay perfume. I mean, the most thing that stands out is the rose. in this perfume. It has some muskiness to it. It's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit citrusy and musky, but the main note you get here is the rose that you get from this perfume. So among all these 4 perfume, my favorite is this 2. So this one, anybody would like this date, and I think you're gonna like this. Any lady that just want something a little bit luxury smelling and a little bit playful and to wear to go out for a date, this one is really nice. These 2 are my favorite from the Bella Vita collection. I love this, you know, where you can try them out before you actually buy the full bottle. So these 2 perfumes that are my favorite, I'm gonna buy the full bottle. This one, I'm gonna try this one again to see how much I love it before buying the full bottle. But all this perfume smells so nice, smell really, really nice. All right, so let's move to the next perfume, and this one is probably my last perfume, and it says Bopan Love, and this is a package. It looked to be very popular on TikTok shop, so I was like, let me just grab it. This is how it looks in here. So let's try the perfume. Oh, this is a really sensual, sexy perfume. It is really nice. I think this is a kind of perfume where you have to be in very close contact with the person. This is not like a perfume to carry to like a club or a crowded place. This is a perfume where you have close contact with the person. It smells very sensual. It is sweet. It has a strawberry fruity note. It's sweet and it's a little bit musky. It has a white floral. It says violet leaves, wild strawberry, violet petal, jasmine bouquet, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. So what I really smell from this perfume is the fruity, sweet. So that vanilla scent, I get it. I get the muskiness, but it's not like a very strong muskiness. Like what you really smell is that strawberry note and that violet petals, and it really smells nice. Honestly, this is a very sexy perfume. This is really nice for the price point and the whole package. So I have about 3 bottles here. I think it's worth the money. You should try this perfume. It almost wants to smell like the Ya perfume, but I think it's because of that creamy, strawberry, fruity, sweet vanilla note to it. But this one is a little bit musky. The dry down is a little bit musky, but it smells a little bit similar to the Ya perfume. I love this. This is nice. This is really nice. You get the violets too, the violet petals from this perfume. I think this is worth it. It's worth the money. The next perfume I have for you all is this Fit Colors Diamond Dream perfume. This perfume, I think this is one of the most popular perfume that I saw on TikTok, and I was like, I hope it's as good as it looks, and it was very affordable. So I just got one. I think they also sell like 2. Oh, look, it has some like crystals inside. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope the camera focuses. You guys see some crystals inside? It has some crystals inside. This is interesting. Anyways, let's test this perfume to see. Come on now. Okay, perfect. All right, let's see. Oh, the perfume is okay. Honestly, most of this perfume be having like it's similar. It's sweet, fruity. It's more of a juvenile type of scent. I see why it's popular. Probably the younger ones. But it doesn't smell bad, honestly. I don't want you to think that it smells bad. It doesn't smell bad. It's just playful. There's nothing, there's nothing specific or nothing unique. That's the word. There's nothing unique about the perfume. It's fresh, it's fruity, it's sweet, it's a little bit citrusy. It has a little bit of muskiness to it, and yeah, and that's it about this perfume. I think some of this perfume are worth you trying out before probably you go and purchase the more expensive one, probably from Amazon, like this Beta Villa luxury. This collection, this was worth it. I think I got this $15, and it's good because I can try all of them before deciding to purchase the big bottle. But the thing is, I got this perfume like over 1 week. I think that was quite long, but I mean, I bought it for a cheaper price, so free shipping. Was it free shipping? I think so. So you're gonna have to pick and choose. If you're not in the rush, then you can get it from TikTok shop. But if you're in a rush, probably you should get it from Amazon or other sites that ship it quicker, like within 3 days. But yes, guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to join the beauty community because I have more videos coming up for you guys. Ciao, ciao, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.